At that point, it feels to me like the path that I heard you, and kind of why I'm here, is the path where I can kind of withdraw from, let's say, mental loops that I find myself in, and I could withdraw and say, no, I'm not that. That's my mind. I am what knows that meant the mind, and that's been extremely useful for me. But the path then from here to the heart is the path of love, but the love is intertwined with pain. And so I feel both. And that's the tougher path. So the first path, the path of the head, is easy for me. The knowing that, but I guess in my mind, the dissolving of the being able to fully get to the path of the heart is intertwined with pain. So as I feel love, I also feel the pain. And it's tough to separate the two.
But it's not two different paths. They're the same. Ultimately, it's the same path. If I were to say to you, direct your attention now to that which you love the most. Sorry, direct your feeling. Go with your feeling to that you love the most. Where would you go?
Inside myself.
Yes, try to say more about it. I know it's not easy, but try to tell us more. If you can more, you try to find words that say more specifically to what it is you go to when you go to that which is most precious.
Well, I went to a thought of my children, and
no, a thought of your children is not the most precious thing in your life because you abandon it after about 3 seconds. I hope that your thoughts are not the most precious things to you because you discard them you trash them without thinking of it. Even now, the thought you were referring to of your children has vanished. It can't have been that precious. Go to that which is truly precious to you.
I find it difficult.
Perfect. And now if I were to ask you, go to that which is aware of your experience. Tell us where your attention goes.
To the same place.
Perfect. The first path was the path of love. The second path was a path of knowledge. But if you explore them carefully, you took the same path in each case, and in each case you went to the same placeless place.
Yeah, it's true.
So I recommend that you travel on both paths equally, and that you switch back and forth between the two so that your heart is as much engaged in this exploration as your mind until they merge.